All right, guys, very first ever electric Range Rover. For sure the first in America. This thing is Tesla powered. It's got a Model S drivetrain underneath of it. Early testing, they're doing it just over 5 seconds, 0 to 60 time in a Range Rover Classic. It's got upgraded everything, of course. East Coast Designs built this thing down here in Florida, and we're here checking it out. So far, really, really impressed. They're dialing in some drive shaft things and a couple other little details because this thing's about 3 days fresh out of the factory. Pretty excited to get behind the wheel. The huge brakes on it. It has AC. Let's go have a peek on the interior. So these trucks are fully custom. You can spec it however you want. These Range Rover Classics usually come in right around $200,000 fully built. But this one's about $250,000. It adds about $50K to add the Tesla drivetrain. This Tesla drivetrain comes out of a company in the UK, and then they're installed here in the US in these custom trucks from E.C.D. This one, it's got leather everything, wood accents, Alpine head unit stuck out, big console, power seats, smells like a Range Rover Classic. It's got that leather UK smell to it, but you don't have all the oil stains on the ground because it's fully electric. So they put what looks like a motor up front. That's actually a battery pack. There's a single motor in the middle, and an electric motor, and that drives a 4-wheel drive system. Big battery pack up front, huge battery pack in the trunk. So the only real difference that you notice from the exterior being in this vehicle is storage space in the trunk is fully filled in pretty much by an electric battery pack. And that's about it. So overall, really impressed. They're still fine-tuning the drivability and control on the gas pedal. Right now, you hit the throttle and doesn't go, and then it goes quick. So that's pretty cool. Pretty heavy steering. Turning radius, as always on these Range Rover Classics, not amazing. But overall, I'm really impressed with this thing. $250,000, a lot of money, but Defenders are around the same price with LS powertrain in them. So it really depends on what you want. These Classics are getting way more valuable all the time. And this one just looks stock from the exterior, but it's hiding that nice Tesla powertrain. Tried, proven already, and they know it's gonna work, and it's gonna be quick. So 0 to 60 in 5 seconds, not too shabby.